When I was a child, I had the pleasure of going to Silverstone, and I can still remember the sound of the engine as it went by. So yeah, that's, I think, sort of when I knew my passion for motorsport and engines. My name is Darryl Felsted. I work for Red Bull Powertrains. I'm head of manufacturing operations, and I'm working towards the project with Red Bull 4 Powertrains. In F1, even a fraction of a millimetre can make the difference when it comes to a podium or a loss.
And that's where Mobil comes in. My name is Pavel Králíček. I'm the commercial offer advisor for industrial lubricants. We as Mobil are delivering the industrial lubricants to the chassis team and the powertrain team here into Milton Keynes, where they are using it to manufacture the parts for their Formula One racing cars.
From aluminiums to steels and even superalloys, Mobil commercial lubricants has been vital in helping to deliver the machine shop precision and reliability that supports our on-track success. In our powertrain facility, all moving parts of our CNC machines are lubricated with Mobil products, which we trust to deliver consistent results.
A key product is the Mobil Vactra oil numbered series, specifically designed for CNC machine slideways. Slideways are prone to stick slip, which Mobil Vactra oil prevents by helping ensure smooth, consistent movement rather than a jerking motion. This results in higher slideway accuracy, improved finished part quality, and exceptional reliability, even when machining exotic alloys.
Precision, reliability, and efficiency are essential in every machine shop. Having a technical partner like Mobil delivering high-performance products really helps us sustain high-efficiency manufacturing.
We also deliver free hydraulic oils. Firstly, it's the market favorite all-rounder Mobil DT20 Ultra series with extended oil life and waste reduction.
Mobil's hydraulic fluids like Mobil DT10XL and Mobil SHC 500 help us optimise power transfer, reduce friction and minimise waste, while ensuring flawless operation in systems like our CNC machine slideways and ball screws.
For the most demanding applications in Oracle Red Bull Racing machine shop, we deliver the Mobil SHC 500 series, which is the highest performing hydraulic oil in our offer in terms of oil life, temperature range and energy efficiency potential.
We machine parts 24/7 to meet the intense demands of F1, and having great technology partners like Mobil really helps with alleviating some of that pressure.
The benefits are consistent across industries. Improved tolerances, longer tool life, more precise and product finish. The Mobil industrial lubricants are exactly the same ones as what you can get as a customer across the globe.
In F1, precision defines success. Every component we manufacture is machined within microns. Mobil Vactra oil helps us ensure we meet those tolerances without fail.